Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. You are watching the best and trendy collections of transparent vinyl raincoats with beautiful ladies. Dear friends, if you want to see much more collections of raincoats, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice. Dear friends, my video see till the end because next you can see much more collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon you can get my new video notification first. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel if you are new and share my video with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, these raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors. Dear guys, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Be careful next time.